How to send a reel to someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. Also, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And after checking on the connection, what you can simply do over here is you can tap on the reel section at the bottom right corner of the screen. So for example, you would want to send this reel to a particular person. So what you can simply do is tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen in an arrow form. So simply tap on it, and as you tap on it, you can simply select the person on Instagram over here if you are friends with them. So you can simply select on that particular profile and you can write a message if you want. If not, you can just leave it and then tap on send. Now you can just go to your DM section at the top right corner on the home screen, select on the profile, and there you go. So that's how you can send a reel to someone on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.